L15, hidden easy-to-import money-making machines for 2026. Are you tired of scrolling through business ideas that demand huge capital, complex skills, or years before seeing results? In 2026, a quiet shift is happening. Profitable manufacturing is no longer reserved for factories with hundreds of workers. With a single machine imported from China, many entrepreneurs are now launching real businesses from garages, warehouses, and small workshops. China remains the global leader in affordable, automated machinery. These are no longer crude tools requiring advanced technical expertise. Today's machines are plug-and-play, compact, and capable of generating revenue almost immediately. While many people chase oversaturated online trends, smart operators are building physical businesses that meet real, local demand. What most people miss is this. Importing machinery has never been easier. Shipping logistics are smoother, customs processes are clearer, and suppliers increasingly offer training and support. Small entrepreneurs now enjoy advantages once reserved for large manufacturers. Below are 15 machines quietly creating income streams in 2026. 1. Nut butter production machine. Premium nut butters sell for high margins, yet raw ingredients are inexpensive. A nut butter machine allows you to produce peanut, almond, and cashew spreads with minimal effort. Unlike mass brands, small producers can experiment with flavors, chocolate blends, superfoods, or low-sugar options, targeting health-conscious consumers. Local grocery stores, coffee shops, fitness communities, and online subscriptions all provide sales channels. With modest startup costs and strong margins, this machine is ideal for first-time manufacturers. 2. Plastic bottle manufacturing machine. Packaging demand continues to grow, especially for custom bottles. Rather than competing with global beverage brands, small operators serve niche clients. Breweries, hot sauce brands, cosmetic startups, and cleaning product companies. Many machines now support biodegradable materials, giving you an advantage as regulations tighten. Start small, build relationships with local brands, and scale as demand grows. 3. Candle making machine. Candles are no longer just products, they're experiences. Aromatherapy, relaxation, and gifting drive consistent demand. A candle machine lets you produce soy, beeswax, or paraffin candles with custom scents and branding. Wedding planners, spas, corporate clients, and seasonal markets provide year-round opportunities. High margins and low startup costs make this one of the fastest paths to profitability. 4. Corn grinding machine. Fresh ground corn flour is essential for tortillas, tamales, and traditional foods. Restaurants and food trucks increasingly prefer local suppliers for freshness and quality. This machine allows you to serve ethnic food markets, health-focused consumers, and organic buyers. Partnering with local farmers strengthens supply chains and marketing reach. 5. Animal feed pellet machine. Animal feed is recession-resistant. Livestock, pets, fish farms, and specialty breeders all require consistent nutrition. Pellet machines allow you to produce uniform, customized feed blends. Small farmers and specialty pet markets often struggle to find tailored options, giving local producers a clear edge. Margins are steady and demand is dependable. 6. Block-making machine construction continues despite economic shifts. Automated block machines produce concrete or eco-friendly blocks for housing, landscaping, and infrastructure projects. Local contractors prefer reliable nearby suppliers. Custom sizes, colors, and eco-materials allow premium pricing. Though the investment is higher, revenue potential is substantial. 7. Barbed wire manufacturing machine. Fencing remains essential for agriculture, security, and industrial sites. This machine produces various wire gauges and configurations for different applications. Selling directly to ranchers, contractors, and suppliers builds strong, recurring relationships. Quality control is critical but straightforward, making this a durable long-term business. 8. Sausage-making machine. Fresh, locally made sausages command premium prices. Restaurants, butcher shops, and farmers markets all value customized recipes and transparent sourcing. This machine supports meat and plant-based alternatives, allowing you to serve multiple dietary niches. Low startup costs and high margins make it attractive for food entrepreneurs. 9. Burger patty. Making machine. Consistency matters in food service. Patty machines deliver uniform size, weight, and shape, reducing labor and waste for restaurants and food trucks. From gourmet beef to plant-based patties, customization drives demand. Local sourcing partnerships further strengthen your competitive advantage. 10. Wall plastering machine. Labor shortages have pushed construction toward automation. Wall plastering machines dramatically reduce time and labor while improving finish consistency. Contractors and rental companies are key customers. Faster job completion and lower labor costs make this machine increasingly desirable across the construction industry. 11. Vegetable cutting machine. Food prep automation saves restaurants time and money. Vegetable cutting machines offer consistent cuts for high-volume kitchens. Restaurants, caterers, institutions, and rental clients all benefit. Simple operation and hygiene compliance make this an easy sell to food service operators. 12. Soft serve ice cream machine. Desserts are high-margin, impulse purchases. Soft serve machines serve restaurants, food trucks, and event caterers. Custom flavors, dairy-free options, and seasonal promotions keep demand strong year-round. Compact designs and simple maintenance lower barriers to entry. 13. Pillow filling machine. Personalized bedding is a growing market. This machine enables production of custom pillows with different firmness levels and eco-friendly fillings. Hotels, mattress stores, and direct-to-consumer brands value customization and local production. Premium positioning drives strong margins. 14. Bag making machine. With plastic bans expanding, demand for paper and biodegradable bags is rising fast. Retailers, restaurants, and promotional brands need compliant packaging. Custom printing adds branding revenue. Though capital requirements are higher, market demand is accelerating globally. 15. Biodegradable straw machine. Plastic straw bans have created mandatory demand for alternatives. Paper and compostable straw machines serve cafes, bars, and large food chains. Customization and bulk supply contracts drive recurring revenue. Sustainability positioning strengthens long-term growth. Final thoughts. These 15 machines reflect a powerful trend. Small-scale manufacturing is back, and it's more accessible than ever. Each machine addresses a real existing market need with clear demand. Success depends on choosing the right machine for your local market, building relationships, and maintaining quality. Start with one operation, master it, and expand. The tools are available. The demand already exists. What separates winners in 2026 is execution, not ideas.